I am making baking powder biscuits. This was my husband's recipe. So I got my 2 cups of flour. This is just regular all-purpose flour. If you want to make it easy, you can do self-rising and just leave out the baking powder and salt. All right, got my baking powder. And my salt. And my 5 tablespoons of butter. Now, if you don't know, look, you can measure your butter on the side. It's 8 tablespoons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what I do is just pull my package. Maybe. Good grief. Okay, so I just pull it. Of course, my package is being difficult today. Pull it down to the 3 mark. There I go. And then a scant cup of sour milk or regular milk, whichever you want. Now, what does a scant cup mean? Just below the 1 cup mark, okay? Just below. But what I'm gonna do is, I forgot, normally I mix my dry ingredients together first, okay? Just like so. Then what I'm gonna do, now if you want super fluffy biscuits, these are fluffy, but they're kind of fluffy and crispy at the same time. If you want super fluffy biscuits, use shortening instead of butter or margarine. But you just want to take your fingers and just run the butter. See how I'm just running the butter through the flour? That breaks it up and gets that flour worked in there. Just like so. And you want to get to be little pieces. Just little crumbly pieces. Okay. Then we're going to do is take our milk and we're going to stir it all in together, just like so, until your dough comes all together, just like that. Then, forgot to leave my flour out, just so used to putting it back. Then you're going to take flour about a tablespoon at a time, maybe 2 tablespoons. And you're just going to work that flour in until your dough gets a little stiff. Now, I start in my bowl because it's less messy. Okay, now my dough is just a bit sticky. So I'm gonna add a little bit more flour until it's just not quite so sticky. Okay. There we go. Now, see how nice and pulled together that is? And if you want, you can scrape down all the good stuff off the bowl. Then you want to sprinkle just a little bit of flour on your counter, just like so. Just get it all. Now, you don't want it too thin. You want it about 3/4 of an inch thick. So from the beginning of your finger to your first knuckle is an inch. So I did it about 3/4, okay? All right, I got these handy dandy biscuit cutters years ago. I absolutely love it. It's all the different sizes. So whenever I just feel like having a different size of biscuit, I do. Today, I'm gonna do a bigger one here. This is 2 1/4 inches. You can do 2 inches, whatever you want. 3 inches. Okay, so just right there. And if you just push straight down, then your biscuits, the sides, if you twist it, the sides will kind of seal and then they don't rise as much. And then here's another trick. If you want crispy biscuits all around, separate them. If you like fluffy biscuits, set them really close together, leaving just a bit of space. I could probably leave just a titch more. Then they won't be crispy on the sides if you like them super soft all the way around. But if you like them crispy, set them further apart, okay? And then one more. Now we like ours both. So I'm gonna do fluffy today. Okay, just take your dough. You don't need to knead it a lot. Just smush it back together. Then your last dog biscuit is cooking with Dutch oven cooking. Mike used to produce and edit that show on PBS. Anybody remember that show? You call this the dog biscuit. Okay, so we're gonna put the dog biscuit there. All right, we're gonna put this in our oven and bake it. Oh my goodness, I have perfect biscuits with my sour milk. My family is gonna be so happy. When Jack comes home from school, he is gonna break these out. I know. Oh my goodness, those look darn tootin' delicious.